saying,
oh, Yamiadum, whoever.
It ain't me, I say. Send us your Buddha.
Oh, aye, and then my last show.
Yeah.
As a worker of this great institution. Nti Yebeka no wasem at the later part of the show.
Sure.
Yebeka no wasem. Anopawe me sorry you know. Me me baby away me fa me phone to get the latest of Enyoma ACC around sports no. And me realize it's a Friday the 14th of August. Na a Friday we are so and you 5 p.m. and in some show for more England no more mononia or more Ben Chelsea ne transfers in some koso am I yet say a Friday and you 5 p.m. and a Chelsea Ediama Man City say the deadline say pese to abranti aye friend Enzo Fernandez. To me realize that I'm so okay. Then the first news item a very, very important time daso a Enzo Fernandez issue no. So what is the latest? Now Rich, me scrolling my phone now. And I chance on look say way send me information. There will be thousands of information adena me pen. But I am a say over the years I'm a no, you always look for the credible ones no. Enti obiya kebi. But over the years I credible no ediana omo kan fa asam no and omo de na me petie. Fortunately for me, I chance on Dimasio Juma Emma Sky Sports Italia. And Dimasio Ebetro say Manchester City had always had the plan insisted by Enzo Maresca say ope Enzo Fernandez no. Man City are you ready? With Sika chance to see omo epe efa Enzo Fernandez on 120 no. Na ne sources catcher and say which he has reported to Sky Sports Italia say ene Man City will make that move with the money. Na omo tia na omo nyoma brantian. Then he comes back to say the entire side ni si the way Enzo Maresca esit kianeke abrantie no open. City for say okay. We don't want to give you an excuse to fail. And already we are selling players bit say Wardry, Yeton players bit say Tijani Rendes. Utim ni yetutum. And it's okay say yetutum no who percent of fixes with sa player we are. Ye ni wasemka. And a bona ye de kwakutia for player no. It's not determined by us. It's determined by the selling club Chelsea. And Omama na ye clear to us and Omani and go back and forth. Some player brand na come and pay this money. So at least according to Dimasio, Man City are ready to pay. Now Rich, why will I believe him? I will believe Dimasio because of Italian and Enzo Maresca is an Italian. Sometimes those are the relationships you draw. When Obikacho say, oh, news. For instance, as I say, Ghana nibi a coachy say go mahia. Sika kono coach no. Good. Na a Ghanaian journalist air catcher was air reporting on Kenyan Premier League. No catcher so go mahia kwa top player bi. and that's Sika kono sister of a player no. The link you will draw and say you may not know the relationship between Sika kono as a Ghanaian and this our journalist from Ghana. And Dimazio has done this job for a very, very long time. And see, say Man City Bakwakoto. And my other reports from Payaka say the negotiations are already in motion. That's in okay, Sikani are ready, Mobaje, no money man is being readied. My opinion on this Enzo Fernandez issue no, I clear from day one. And the best example I made to me at the actually on this issue, the Julian Alvarez, any Barcelona, any Atletico Madrid FM. Now, and in Pempi, and players win if they agitate some movie. There are sometimes to, based on the club's ambition, you let the player know what opens ordinary project in him. At a point in time, clubs are supposed to look within almost success story on best. And for me, in my opinion, do something about keeping their best players. And see, for instance, a clear example is what Atletico Madrid with Julian Alvarez. And it's a flippy kwaniba Chelsea. Mijidi say Chelsea would have conducted themselves very, very well, in my opinion, Rich, if they had insisted, say, Enzo Fernandez a key part of our project or Monton. Nemo play any mom. And shown China will be out, we have to say, or no, and I will instigate this over Soko. Then you can clearly wash off your hands as a club and say, Ebo, yempese ebe keep player on ya happy wa ha. And obieni tiemu player ni suba ya wadane dia all chance of Soko. And unti ana yema nako. For me, Chelsea made it too easy for Man City to have their man. Too easy. And Makanda said, beyond the money is the competition. Every cup be a Chelsea Paji Biano. The rival a City. Yeah. Both domestic and continental. And see, if you willingly serve opponent on all fronts, send a Chelsea, it doesn't sit well with me. On Sankaye discuss way, Sankaye Brighton beer. I had Bournemouth beer. A team beer. Me expect to say the ambition is to win every trophy. I don't have a problem. Sankaye selling club, and I don't have a problem. But this is a Chelsea team that want everybody to believe, say they are ambitious and they want to win. You can't win with Ed Bally and Todd Bowley. You win with players, and you win with quality players, and you win with players who have shown, say, Omuo, what it takes to win with you. And see, so Asha, in the last 3 seasons in here, Rich, we seem to have the same conversation about Chelsea. Say, Oko Faba, na o tono, na o Faba, na o tono, o Faba, na o tono. How then do you build a consistent team to win? How? What is the formula? Because it seems that Chelsea Faba and check na omobu munsem no almost the amount. What is then the formula to win? No? Now you see, in the last 3-4 seasons in here, Rich, the Premier League money, FA Cups, you know, all have Chelsea players in their faults. I'm not saying say Omunkwa and Matimini winning, but they also add to the squad. And it's a community Chelsea, a community mean come winning. I don't believe in the posture of Chelsea. You know, in my opinion, I think say they've made it too easy for Man City to have Enzo Fernandez.
We there yeah fortunate fifi kura ha no so there me no bia nim so Chelsea ni nti fi good morning na bibi aboko there
nyame adom so we
o nyame adom ye pa